Hello guys, I want to talk about the unique plant which is called Asplenium Nidus. It is an ornamental plant. According to Wikipedia, Asplenium Nidus, or bird nest fern, is a species of fern in the family Aspleniaceae, native to tropical or subtropical areas. I have here two kinds of Asplenium Nidus. The one with thicker and stiff leaves, and another one. This one is thinner leaves but not too glossy. This one is glossy and another one is not glossy. But this plant is very easy to grow. I just use for media, sphagnum moss or coconut husk. We can grow with hanging pot to make our garden more beautiful. Okay, and we can see here from the other side of the leaves there are spore. When the winds blow up this spore and the spore stick on certain media, they will grow there. So easy to grow, and this is unique and beautiful. No need special treatment to take care of them. Asplenium Nidus, everyone. Okay, thank you for your concern. See you next time. Bye bye.